This is a lesson on how to find the x and y intercepts from standard form. So when you have standard form, it is ax plus by equals c. The a value is the coefficient of the x term, the b is the coefficient of the y term, and the c is the constant. So I'm going to show you the long way, and I'm going to show you my shortcut. So first, in order to find the y-intercept, that's when x is 0. So if we plug in 0 for x, we get 5 times 0 minus 6y equals 30. We get negative 6y equals 30. We divide by negative 6, and we get y equals negative 5. So my y-intercept is 0, negative 5. And my x-intercept is when y equals 0. So that would look like this. 5x minus 6 times 0 equals 30. The 6 times 0 goes away. 5x equals 30, divide by 5. And x is 6. So 6 comma 0 is the x-intercept. Now the quick way to do this is simply for the x-intercept, take the c value and divide by the a value. And for the y-intercept, take the c value and divide it by the b value. It's just important to recognize that when the b value has a negative, it's a 5x minus 6y here, that minus makes that b value negative. And if you forget that, you're going to get the y-intercept wrong. While we're talking about shortcuts, it's kind of a nice thing to know that if you find the opposite of a and divide it by b, that will tell you the slope, which I think is as important, if not more important, than either of the intercepts. So let's try those same shortcuts on this other equation over here. X-intercept, again, is c over a. Y-intercept is c over b. And the slope is negative a over b. So the c value in this problem is 14. The a value in this problem is 2. And the b is 11. Now, after you find those numbers, plug them in, we see that this reduces to 7. That's the x-intercept, 7, 0. The y-intercept doesn't reduce, so it's just 0, 14 elevenths, not my favorite y-intercept ever. And my slope is negative 2 elevenths. And that's how you find the different pieces of information that we're going to need for standard form.